How's it going, everyone? Up bright and early. Just getting the turkey going and a couple other things, a couple other goodies. But yeah, let me get you turned around and I'll show you. First off, we got the bird in the oven. Got about a 15-pounder. And pan you over here. Got our sweet potatoes or yams on lock. Got the brown sugar and marshmallows onto it. And we got our cream style corn, some Cheez-Its, and some Velveeta cheese. Cooking with the redneck. And next, we got the 3-bean salad. Just going to put that in here and chill it for later. Yeah. Just kicking back, watching the annual Macy's Thanksgiving Day Parade. Yeah. Friggin' rights we are. Just chilling with the old puppy. She's passed the frig out. Who would I be if I didn't include the scrap metal from the old Scrapsgiving? The aluminum pie plate and the steel cans. Yeah. What happened, everyone? The old bird popped its top. Been waiting for this little red doodad to spring out. That's exactly what happened. Yeah, how much for something? Oh boy, do I ever wish I could capture scent on video. This is gonna be friggin' awesome. Alright, boys and girls. Apologize for the lighting, but look onto it. We got her done. The spread. Oh, would you look at it? Just look onto it. Onto it. Got the bird, turkey stuffing, mashed taters, cheesy cream corn with the Cheez-Its into it and onto it. Then we got the yams with the brown sugar and the marshmallows. Ooh, and the turkey gravy to top it off. Yeah. Hope y'all had a feast like this for Thanksgiving. Check out my bird. First one ever. 31 years old, and that's my first bird. Usually we go to the in-laws, and she can cook like you would not believe. And we got it pretty damn close this year. They're down at the cabin in Tennessee. Yeah. Happy Thanksgiving, everyone. I'm about to feast.
I said every time I leave the room, you guys do this.
It's Thanksgiving. Some people bake pies. We bake ourselves.
And if you like this or any other video, finger fudge that like button for me, would you?